Hi, I'm Kathy from Dimensional Insight. Today, we're going to examine some of the functionality in our ProDiver Advanced Analytics solution, part of Gateway Platform. Let's delve into sorting information across multiple columns in the multi-tab view. Here to guide you is Alyssa Mintz from our Education Department. Alyssa?
In this demonstration, you'll learn how to sort information in two or more columns in a multi-tab view of your data. When you're working in a multi-tab view, you're working with multiple columns of related data. If you want to keep related data together when you rearrange it to flush out key information, you use the command organize sort. For example, let's say we're working with a multi-tab view of produce sales data. In this multi-tab view, we have a listing of all our suppliers, the types of commodities they supply, and the quantities and sales figures for each type of commodity they supply. The information is in alphabetical order by supplier name, as we can see when we scroll through the data. If we wanted to see who supplied the greatest quantity of produce, we could sort down on the single column quantity, QTY. The results would show the suppliers in no particular order, however, and the arrangement of the information on the commodities themselves wouldn't be very useful either. It might be more useful to keep all the information on each supplier together and see their commodities sorted from high to low. So let's undo our single column sort and then resort the information in multiple columns using the command organize sort. The area labeled Columns in the dialog box now on the screen lists all the columns we could use to control the way information is sorted. We want ProDiver to look at the supplier column first when it sorts our data, so we'll move it into the Sort Columns area first, where it will be at the top of the list of sort columns. The up arrow tells ProDiver to sort the text entries in the supplier column from A to Z, which is what we want, so we'll leave it as is. Next, we'll move the quantity column into the Sort Columns area. We want the information in the quantity column to be sorted down, meaning from the largest number to the smallest. So we'll click the arrow next to quantity to change it to a downward-facing arrow and then click OK. ProDiver sorts all the data first by supplier name, and then within each group of information about each supplier, sorts the commodities in descending order by quantity from largest to smallest. For example, we can see that all the information about supplier Big City Acres is grouped together. We can also see that the information about each commodity supplied by Big City Acres has been rearranged so that grapefruit, which was supplied in the greatest quantity, is at the top of the list, followed by the remaining types of commodities in descending order by quantity. Let's scroll down to the data on the next supplier. We can see here that the data on Black Dog Farm follows the data on Big City Acres, and that the data about Black Dog Farm has been rearranged the same way, with a commodity that was supplied in the greatest amounts, blueberries, at the top of the list of Black Dog Farm commodities. Other things to note. You can move a column name from one area of the Sort Columns dialog box to the other just by double-clicking it. You don't have to use the arrow buttons to move the names. So that's how you sort data in a multi-tab view. You select the command Organize Sort, move the names of the columns you want to use to control the sort order into the Sort Columns area of the dialog box, use the up and down arrows to adjust the sort order of each column, and click OK.
And that's how simple it is to sort data across multiple columns in ProDiver. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Any questions? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.